Hi, third graders. For this week's shared reading, you've been reading A Meerkat Day and discussing it throughout the week. So for your response to reading assignment, you are going to use a Venn diagram, and there is an assignment in Schoology, or your teacher may have you do it in your reader's notebook. Just ask your teacher. But you will use a Venn diagram, and you're going to compare meerkats to cats, and it makes this comparison in the book and talks about how they are alike. So remember, with a Venn diagram, in the middle where the two circles overlap, you're going to type how they are alike. There's one way in there that they both have claws. You need to come up with one more way that meerkats and cats are alike. Then over here, you're going to give two ways that meerkats are different from cats. You need to make sure whatever you say here, you tell how it's different over here. So up here we have babies are called kits. So meerkat babies are called kits. Baby cats are called kittens. So that's how they're different, but you have to type something in the cat side and in the meerkat side. Make sure you submit this back to your teacher if you're doing it in Schoology.